Big news alert. BlackRock's big boss, Larry Fink, just dropped some major knowledge on us. Larry Fink, BlackRock CEO, says no big recession is coming to the US economy in 2023. But wait, there's a catch. He warns that inflation will be stickier than gum on your shoe, hard to shake off. According to Fink, the flooding $1 trillion stimulus from Infrastructure Bill, CHIPS and Science Act, and Inflation Reduction Act will create a ton of new jobs and demand for commodities as we build infrastructure. While some parts of the economy are showing weakness, these fiscal stimulus packages will balance things out, preventing a recession this year. However, don't get too excited. Inflation is here to stay. Fink predicts that inflation will stay high for longer due to geopolitical issues. That's not good news. We're moving away from globalization and towards fragmentation, which is causing some real problems. He believes that moving supply chains back to the US is essential for national security, but it comes with a cost, and that cost is a 4% inflation rate. So keep an eye out, folks. The US economy is like a rocket ship heading to the moon, and there's no stopping it now. What do you think about it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow for more Forex news and broker exposed update. WikiFX, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.